Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize home screen and widgets on your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. And the first thing, let's change this home screen wallpaper. For this I'm gonna open settings, go in the wallpaper section, here choose my home screen and the button to customize. And now we can select, for example, this yellow color or this gradient color, or choose any other photo from the list. Also, we can tap this done button and here we can select to add new wallpaper. And now we can see a few more options for our wallpapers. For example, I want to choose this one, then tap this add button. And here I'm gonna select set as wallpaper pair. And now home screen has been changed. So now we can add some useful widgets. For this I'm gonna press and hold any free space on the screen, then tap on the plus and here choose any widget from the list. I would like to add batteries widget, so I'm gonna select this one, and here we have three options of this appearance. I'm gonna select the first one, then add this widget, and now let's add another one, for example clock. I'm gonna choose bigger widget for now, something like this, and now we can also replace it, reorder, and just remove by tapping this minus and confirming by clicking remove. Now also, if you would like to create a folder, you just need to press and hold an application, then drag it onto another one, and now here is your folder. You can add another application to this folder like this, or you can remove one from this folder just by dragging it onto the screen again. Now you can also rename it here, just type in something, then you can use an emoji, and then to save the changes you would need to click this done button. And also we can add useful shortcuts here. For this I'm gonna open this shortcut application. Now I wanna choose camera, and here I wanna choose this selfie mode. So just press and hold the icon, then select to add to the home page. Now you can change its color. For example, let's choose this blue one, and here you can also change its icon. So let's just find any icon from the list, let it be this one, and then click the add button right here. So now you can see this shortcut right here on your homepage, and if you just tap it, it will open selfie mode immediately. So that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.